That was nice.
I like that.
For a front wheel drive, yeah. I can't even do that.
I probably
The
could.
guy's a fuckwit, but fuck it. He done a good job of being a fuckwit.
Oh, Terry. Terry, don't leave it.
What the fuck?
Can you give me a bit of room on the left? My tires aren't the best.
Yeah, don't skid out, you know.
Thanks, man.
Oh,
Oh, fuck.
Oh! Holy shit! Holy shit!
Oh,
Oh my god!
What the fuck are you doing?
Oh, now I know why 2 hours ago.
Whoa!
He goes to me, Cash in the studio. Do you know the movie Rookie of the Year? Now I know why.
Fucking kidding me!
$70 a week. The de facto rate for many because people are in fact lower.
Oh, got it on dash cam!
Which is imposed on.
Hey Lisa! Check out my new computer!
Dad, you shouldn't drag that around!
Tell me pretty lies, look me in the face. Tell me that you love me, even if it's fake.